If you're having problem with Messenger and it says fix no internet connection, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, as the problem itself suggests, you have to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi connection. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower or unstable, you may go ahead and switch it to your mobile data or any of your Wi-Fi which has a strong connection. Now, for the second step, let's head over to our settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Now, if Messenger is the only application where you're having that problem, type in Messenger and search. If you see a Messenger application, open it. Scroll below, tap storage, and then clear the cache. If you're also having problem with your Facebook, here you have to search for Facebook. Tap onto Facebook, repeat the process. Tap storage, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, you may also go ahead and clear the data. Come back onto App Info page and then force stop and then OK. Once it is so, you have to restart your device and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then make sure that your Messenger application is updated. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Messenger. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated and you don't need to do anything. Now the last resort here is simply uninstalling your Messenger, reinstalling again, and this shall fix your no internet connection problem.